All right, we're gonna go in this dark hole, but we're bringing video. So that way if I fall and disappear, one day somebody will know what happened. Oh man, it's awfully dark. Okay, there's a sign that belongs somewhere else. Cool. So this is called the 40 Saints Monastery, and it's supposed to have 40 underground chambers that are dedicated to the martyrs of Sebast. I might say that wrong, but I'm going to imagine that this is the start of the 40 chambers. Okay, don't step there. All right. I'm not dead yet. I don't really know where this goes, but we're going, having a good time. I see light. Ooh, big and fancy. And oh shit, that is beautiful. There's an opening that points directly into Saranda. And it's so bright, you guys might not get to see it. There we go. Through the prison bars. I live right over this mountain. What's going on over here? Got some more things. Whoa, low entry. I feel like you shouldn't be able to go in places like this of crumbling buildings. But one of the perks of places that don't get a lot of tourism is there are no rules. You show up, this is free, you walk in, and you go where you go. Oh, that's the outside little courtyard area. All right. Well, thanks for coming on this little trip.